right, you guys, dealing with your crown mold, double stacking like that. This is as tight as we can get our miters, so pretty much everybody's miters are probably going to look like that. Hopefully they're that shrunk down, so there's not much here to fill in. What's great about Joel and them though, they give you this little vial right here. It's an exact color match, and you use that little needle there to help guide you. So you can see the holes. That's just from our brad nails, and then where we had to add a little bit of wood filler in there just to close those miters all the way. I'm going to dab these two holes here so you can see. You just use the needle as the guide. So just get a little bit to come out and then use the needle tip to fill in. Almost like a pencil. You just need a little bit of ink right there. Pen, what have you. You just need a little bit of ink. Just a dab. As soon as you see that hit that hole, then just take the needle and work it in the hole. That way you don't use your fingers, any oils off your fingers, and you smear that on their pretty finish, and then you'll see that kind of flashing at you later. But that's how we sew all these up, and then it'll just look pristine. There you go. So once you're done, you can see it. Looks really pretty. And the other one's the same way. So it just makes all that disappear. Beautiful miters. Hope that helps you on your double stack crown mold.